Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. How you doing? Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a very exciting video. We're going to be doing a Ulta haul. I have some stuff that I picked up and also some gratis to show you guys. Most of it is gratis. I only picked up like a couple of things. And then I also got some stuff from It Cosmetics. We just have lots of stuff to go through. So if you guys want to see this haul, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay guys, so I'm first going to start off by showing you guys the stuff that I bought for myself. So I went ahead and picked up some eyelashes and some eyelash glue just because Ardell had like a big sale and everything was pretty much 50% off for the lashes and the glue. So I went ahead and got my favorite lash glue. If you guys were ever wondering what lash glue I use, I always use this one. This one is the Duo, but it has a brush applicator. See, this is the one I'm using right now. It's almost empty, but it has like a little tiny, mine's so dirty, please excuse it, a little brush applicator, and it just makes it super easy to go on the lashes, and it works super good. And so this is just my holy grail eyelash glue, and so I went ahead and picked up a new one so I could have a backup. Plus it was on sale, so I really wanted to stock up. You could kind of see the difference. But yeah, and then I also got some lashes. These are new to me. These are the Ardell Twin Pack Whispies in 113. So I have the regular Whispies on, and that's usually what I buy. I have some right here. And these are the 113s, and as you can see, they're still really wispy and long, but they do start off kind of like the Dimmy Whispies to where they're shorter at the inner part and then they grow longer towards the outer part. And so I'm really interested in trying them. Let me know if you guys have tried these before and what you think of them. But yeah, I'm really excited about those. Okay, so now we're just going to go ahead and move on to the gratis. So yesterday the Cover FX vendor was in, and she went ahead and gave me this little sample of a primer. This is the blurring primer, and it's just a baby size. So I actually already have the full size of this primer, but I've only tried it a couple of times, so I'm still kind of testing it out. So I am probably just going to give this miniature size to Christian's mom so she could try it as well, since I do already have the big size. But yeah, I went ahead and got that. Okay, so recently we had a big It Cosmetics event at Ulta, and they gave us this bag. It says, "I'm an It Girl." Super cute. It's like a reusable bag. This is what the back looks like. I'll probably use this whenever we go to Aldi because they don't have bags there and you use like your own bags, and so I like to keep these for that. But inside they did give us some It Cosmetics goodies. So in here we have this Bye Bye Redness, and this is their Bye Bye Redness moisturizer. So it has like a green tint to it, so we got that. And so they did throw a lot of the Bye Bye Redness moisturizer. I'll probably give some of these to Christian's mom so she could try it out as well. So they gave us 4 in total of these. Okay, and then they also gave us this It Cosmetics Superhero Volumizing mascara. They did give us 3, but I already gave one to somebody. But I'll probably just keep one and give the other one away. And then they also gave us 3 of the It Cosmetics Confidence in an Eye Cream, which I heard this eye cream is really good, so I'm super excited about this one. I'll probably keep all 3, or I'll maybe give one away. I just like heard really good things, so I really want to use it and see what I think of it, but I'll probably give some away and probably just keep one maybe. But yeah, I got 3 of those. And then last but not least, they gave us this It Cosmetics brow power in the color Universal Taupe, which I don't think this will match my brows, and they did give us 3 of these and they're all the same color. But I'll probably just keep one for my makeup kit and give these 2 away. Oh my gosh, I lied. We have one more thing. This is the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser. We have like a baby size of that. I actually really wanted to try this out, so I'll probably try it in the morning sometime. Next up, I got this little goodie bag from Exuviance, and it has the Exuviance Optic Light All Over Dark Spot Minimizer with sunscreen SPF 25. Right here, and I'm actually already using this, but I'm using the one without SPF. Let me go ahead and get it. I'll show it to you guys. Actually guys, I'm not sure if this is the same thing because I'm reading it and it says Optic Light Tone Corrector, and this bigger one says Optic Light All Over Dark Spot Minimizer. Maybe they just changed the name, but they do look pretty similar. It's just a bigger tube. but I'm interested in trying the one with SPF because I think that's easier. You just put it all over and then you don't have to worry about sunscreen later on. With this one, I have to make sure I apply sunscreen or else it will be bad, because when you're using this kind of stuff, you have to make sure you put sunscreen on, or it could do the opposite effect and it could actually cause more dark spots. And so yeah, we got that in there. Also in this little gift set, it has this Exuviance Hydra Firm moisturizer, and then it has this ouidad Moisture Lock conditioner, and then in the back it has a little makeup bag. But yeah, we got that. It's super cute and I love this stuff, and it retails for like $55, and I think that's so cool that I got another backup for free. If it is the same thing, I'm not sure if it's the same thing, but it's kind of like geared towards, they're both geared towards the same thing by removing dark spots, which I'm all about. Okay, next up I got some goodies from Lancome. So we got their Dual Finish powder foundation, and I got mine in the color 140 Ivory Warm. Hopefully it's not too light, but I feel like all the other colors were really dark, so I decided to get this one, and it's in this tester packaging, but it hasn't been used, and it has like a little magnet on the back, so I'll probably just pop it in a Z palette. Oh my gosh, it smells like old lady. That's funny. Let me know if you guys have tried this Lancome powder and what you guys think of it. But yeah, I got that. Okay, and also from Lancome, I got this blush in the color Mocha Havana. Doesn't that look like such a beautiful color? I've never tried their blushes either, but it has like a little rose imprinted on it. Let's open it. Okay, so this is what the color looks like. Super pretty, and there's that rose in the center. Let's go ahead and swatch it. That is what the color looks like. Super pretty. I'm excited to try that out. Okay, next up we have some goodies from Pop Sugar. If you don't know what Pop Sugar is, it's a newer brand that has came to Ulta, and it's in the high-end side. And we have some goodies from them, so let's go ahead and open this. Oh, that is so cute. They threw in some little Pop Sugar stickers. How cute. Okay, so the first thing that we have here is this satin matte lip color, and we got it in the color Such a Flirt, which looks like it's gonna be a pink color. Ooh. So this is what the packaging looks like. Super cute and sleek. I love the white. How do you open this? Oh, so it's like a chubby pencil. Let's go ahead and swatch it. It's more of like a corally pink, but they're not too pigmented. They're kind of like a lip balm almost. So this would be good for like no makeup days, or if you want to wear something really light or just something really hydrating on the lips, this would be good. That's the color. Super pretty. Okay, so next up we have this eye shimmer putty powder, and we have it in the color Like a Diamond 04. We actually have the display for this at our Ulta right now, but we don't have any of the testers or any of the products yet. And so I'm really interested to see what this actually looks like. And so, ooh. Oh, so it's like a putty eyeshadow, and it looks like a taupey color. That's what the packaging looks like. Let's go ahead and fill it out. It does feel like a putty. Ooh, that's a really pretty color. It's like a taupey brown. It's so pretty. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Ooh, it goes on really, really smooth. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely gonna wear this next time I put makeup on. Looks so pretty. That is the color right there. This would be super easy to do. All you would have to do is just throw it all over the lid and you're pretty much done with eyeshadow. I can't wait to try that out. Okay. Next up we have this Be Calm Lip Save. Oh, I've already tried this at work. Whenever my lips are dry, I'll go ahead and put this on, and it works really good. It kind of reminds me of the Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask, but a little bit lighter. So this is what the tube looks like, and it's just a lip mask. It's just clear. You could wear it at night or whenever your lips are feeling really, really dry. So excited about that because I'm actually almost done with my Bite Beauty one. It looks used and abused. This is what it looks like. I am almost out of this, so I'm glad to have another lip mask balm thing. Okay, and last but not least from Pop Sugar, we got this Be Sweet Tinted Lip Balm, and these have SPF 15, which I think is so cool because usually lip products, no matter what you get, doesn't have SPF. And so if you're on vacation or out in the sun a lot, your lips could get sunburned. So I really like that this has SPF in it. And it's in the color Choose Happy 01. Wasn't that the color of the other one? Oh no, it wasn't. It wasn't. Okay. So this has the exact same package as the other one, except it looks more like a lip balm. Ooh, that looks like a pretty color. I love these for like natural days when I'm just like running out the door but I want something on the lips. Ooh, it's like a warm brownie nude. So pretty. That's it right there. Super pretty. I'm excited about all this new stuff. I can't wait to try it out. Okay guys, so that is everything that I had to show you guys in today's haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up so I can know to keep doing gratis hauls for you guys. I know it wasn't much this time, but you guys seem to really like these videos, so I thought I would still show you guys. Plus, I'm really excited about all this new stuff. And yeah, if you're not subscribed to my channel, BritanyRaquell, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so 3 times a week for you guys. And also let me know if you guys would like a haul day but how was it video on these products, so I could do it like whenever it's been about 2 weeks and I've kind of tested out the products, and I could go ahead and review them for you guys. So let me know if you would like that video as well. And yeah, that's gonna be everything. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys!